Hey everybody, it's Neil, and we have here a family pack of assorted different types of Band-Aids and wound care and that type of stuff. So it looks like even it has a little guide up here of all the different things on it. So you could probably pause that and zoom in if you really need to see each item of what they have. But it's got different things. It's got, what is this one here? This one's got some medical tape, that's good. We have lots of different bandages from this size here, which is a nice big one, and smaller ones of similar type, I guess, right here. Oh, these ones here are pretty, like they have flamingos on them. That's cool. And then we have a bunch of regular type of Band-Aids, and this is the silicone patch kind of thing there to just kind of cover a wound so it doesn't get all dirty. And more Band-Aids here. You can see these ones here, those fabric flexible ones. Lots of them here, the butterfly ones. These are good for like the tips of your fingers and things like that. So you basically have the whole kit of all the different types of bandages that you need. Here's the whole set of them all. So really cool, nice to have, totally handy, useful. We got a new house here, so we needed some update on some medical supplies. So thumbs up, very good.